correct. With all due respect to the former leadership, no? But the House of Representatives already recognized the new leadership, no? When we approve our concurrent resolution to adjourn Sine, the concurrent resolution was likewise approved by the new leadership. So to us, it operates as a recognition by the House of Representatives of the leadership of acting President Win Gatchalian, no? Acting Senate President Win Gatchalian, no? So kami naman, we are part of the institution. In fact, as 11 prosecutors, we represent the House of Representatives. Eh, hindi naman magandang tingnan na magkaiba pa kami ng position, no? Definitely, we will be following kung anong position ng House. And that is, they are recognizing the legitimacy of the leadership of acting Senate President Win Gatchalian.